In this guide, you'll learn how to play Emoji Pong game on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to the conversations page. Click on this icon given at the bottom middle. Once you're over here, launch any of the existing conversation or start a new conversation with the friend. Now what you have to do is launch your emoji section and send any of the emoji. Once the emoji has been sent, simply tap on the emoji message. As soon as you tap it, the Emoji Pong game will launch directly inside the chat. The goal is to keep the emoji bouncing for as long as possible and earn the highest score you can. After you finish playing, your score will be recorded and your friend can tap the same emoji to play the game as well. This creates a fun competition where both of you can try to beat each other's high score. If the game does not appear, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated as some features may not be available on older versions. That's basically it. You now know how to play Emoji Pong game on Instagram and challenge your friends for the highest score. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.